Hi all, I am Roop Darak, founder director A&I Max in Hyderabad. So for today's podcast session, we have a wonderful couple from NS Associate, Nidesh sir and Navita ma'am. Good evening ma'am, how are you?
Good evening, all good, Roop.
Thank you so much for taking out time in your busy schedule ma'am. First of all, we are very thankful to you that you have taken out the time and given us a chance to do a session with you and educate many more aspiring designers what all knowledge you're going to share now with them.
Sure, you're welcome anytime.
Thank you. Ma'am, would like to know about your journey, ma'am. I came to know that you have completed your architecture in 1995, if I'm not wrong, from Mumbai.
Yes.
So it's
that's
almost
right.
29 years
Yes.
you are into this fraternity, and past 14 years you're working full time
Full time in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yeah.
So would like to know about your journey, ma'am. How it started, what inspired you to be an architect and interior designer.
You really want to know the truth?
Definitely, ma'am.
See, when a person is good at anything and everything that you do, it becomes very difficult to choose a career.
Okay.
So for me, getting into this field was more not out of choice, but out of opting out of all other options.
Oh,
But once I got into the line, I realized very soon, within 6 months, that this is what I wanted to do. Because here I had the freedom to create.
true.
And plus, there was some science involved, there was some logic involved. So I was in a very happy space because I could be creative and I could be logical also. And for me, architectural planning is almost like solving a jigsaw puzzle.
Okay.
So I enjoy my work. I enjoy solving the puzzles.
Great. So, and like while after completion of your architect, you have joined some internship in Mumbai, where you got a chance to work for Ms. Nita Ambani's home. How was that experience? Because it was very early stage, 29 years back. Navita Singhal ma'am was something different. So how was that experience, ma'am?
See, I was very young and raw at that time. So,
Hmm.
and I think that was in their old home in what was it, in Cuff Parade, where they had 2 floors for each of the brothers. So it was not a big thing. The lady with whom I was working, Varsha Desai, so she used to design for Neeta, and Neeta wanted some structural changes done in the house, in the duplex between her 2 floors. So I was working on that aspect of it. So it was, of course, it was a experience like even 29 years, 26, 7 years back. Things that like you have your he dressing and she dressing, and you have the, because I mean we are talking about the Ambanis.
True.
So you have like a 13-floor building which has 3 levels of parking. You have just about a handful of people living, but you have more cars and more servants operating with it. So that was my first encounter with a he wardrobe and a she wardrobe and a he toilet and a she toilet.
In 1998,
Yes.
that time only.
Yes.
This started recently in Hyderabad, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah. So when you come to Hyderabad, you realize that Mumbai has always been years ahead
100%.
in
Very true.
everything that you, in every department.
True, very true. So that experience might have helped you a lot, ma'am.
Of course, it was like when I heard people doing it over here, it was not something new to me.
Very true. Because even I am surprised, ma'am. I am also from this fraternity. I used to think, मतलब हम लोग भी generally बोलते हैं ना, Hyderabad also become luxurious. There are his bathroom, hers bathroom करके. But you have done that in 98.
Yes.
That's really shocking. I can say that ki it was there in 1998. So where did you passed out, ma'am, in Mumbai?
Rachna Sansad Academy of Architecture.
Okay, so you have done your architecture.
Yes.
So what is your interest more, ma'am, towards architecture or interior?
I'm always first an architect.
Okay. So is it something like that, ma'am, when you take a project that they should give you along with the architecture, or you're ready to do only interiors also, something of that
See,
sort?
we are doing interiors, of course, especially after when we started my own practice. It's not easy for to start off immediately with. It's very rare that you get an opportunity to start designing architecturally. So we took some time to establish ourselves. And now today I'm in a very happy zone that I have a very good balance between architectural work and interior work. And I can say that most of our architectural projects are ones where we are doing not just the architecture, we are doing the interiors as well. So it's like from 0 to 100. Like we step in with just an empty plot, and we step out when the whole thing is finished, and the
Yeah.
client just moves into the
Basically, land to key.
land to
I
key.
would like to add when she said she's satisfied because after having such an experience also in Hyderabad when she start working, even the friends and even the family or anyone, they needs brand. They don't need a good architect to start with. There should be a brand behind you to get you a work.
True, true.
That was the situation when we started, when we think 14 years, I believe 15, 16 years now basically, 2000s, it's 10 with when we have started our own thing. So that time people are not giving us that one. It's not a brand. It's not a brand.
Sir, moreover, generally, like I'm born and brought up in Hyderabad. So we see ki even architecture interior, Hyderabad was not that professional in 2010 also. After 2014, things changed for architect. Our professional lobby people started giving that professional treatment to the architects, interior designers, landscape
That's
designers.
true. I mean, it's taken a very long time
Long
to
time, yeah.
evolve, and it's a better space that we are in today. But yes, we are still lagging behind when you compare the fraternity to how they are treated in Mumbai or any of the other metros like Bangalore and stuff. There, the kind of respect that the architects and the designers get is still not heard of in Hyderabad.
But have you ever worked on, ma'am, what is the reason behind it? Because now Hyderabad is growing architects from pan India level. All big architects are working in Hyderabad. All branded architects, like you take ZZ or you take Shantanu Chaudhary Sahab or you take Ashish Shah Sahab, everyone is working in Hyderabad. So why the professionalism is lacking in Hyderabad? Matlab, any
It's not the professionalism is not lacking.
or a clientele,
It's the client who always feels that the grass is greener on the other side. So they don't appreciate the knowledge that or the experience that the local architect has. They always think that the others from coming from the different cities or from abroad are more educated, or they have a better knowledge, or they have
Basically,
or better ideas.
They're away from their daily contact, so they feel they are more.
So they don't even want to explore the local market, and they prefer sourcing designers from outside. That is the reason why outside architects are practicing so much in Hyderabad.
okay. But
Having
generally,
said
if you
that,
see,
we are
sir,
doing-
ma'am, like I'm seeing your work. Luckily, our magazine was lucky enough to feature your work also. It was great. Matlab, it was like I'm a young guy. I can't say that I was unable to take out any mistake in that. But general level पे भी अगर कोई देखता है, so it came out very well, ma'am. It's not like that कि only outside the designer can perform better in Hyderabad.
No, so that's what I'm saying. Is the local market like Hyderabad is full of very good designers.
Very true.
I will not say that there are no good designers. Some of us, of course, we are from outside who have now settled in Hyderabad, and we are as much a Hyderabadi as any other
Yes,
person.
very true.
But what I'm trying to say is that because of the global market scenario, people living in Hyderabad feel that, oh, it's more fancy to get a designer from Mumbai rather than appoint a local architect. So
Is that a status issue?
it could be.
कि भाई मैंने बॉम्बे के डिजाइनर से
It is
कराया.
possible.
See, all the architects are good.
Very true. Everyone has their own taste.
Yeah,
Everyone is
exactly.
doing their own work.
Architecture is nothing that this is the set line of rule. You have to follow it. It is creativity. So all architects are good. It is client has to be open when what he requires, and the way we.
It is like some of your big projects, the high-rise projects. Why, or any town planning project? Why do you think the foreign architects are involved? Why is it? It's just for the name,
Yeah, with brand value
the
add
brand
करता है.
value.
So they get the higher prices for that particular
Exactly.
society and all. Okay.
So
So,
that
any possibility of getting this change is? Do you think that it will ever change in Hyderabad? As per your long experience in Hyderabad, I'm just asking you a question.
It is changing. It happens the both ways. We are getting projects outside Hyderabad also. There we are brands. So
100%.
that is.
Sir, your brand in Hyderabad also, sir. We know. Because क्या होता है, you never know that. We know that. Ab now, these people, when we featured you, many people, you met Nabita ma'am and Nidhi sir. Yeah. it is very tough to meet them. Now people ask me the question. I'm being very honest with you. It's nothing like that. I to just called up the madam through some reference. Ma'am has given me a time. She has come and everything was delivered on time to get published in the magazine. She said, "We are doing something good for Hyderabad, so I'm always there to support you again." So it's not like that. People know you are a brand, sir. Now, NS Associate is a good brand when it comes to our fraternity.
That's wonderful to hear. And I really don't know, because even like he said, local people may not treat us like brands. They might prefer an outsider. Similarly, there are in other
Outsider they are
cities
treated.
who prefer us rather than their locals. So it works
We
both
have no
ways.
regrets. We have no
So
regrets at all.
I have no
We are-
issues.
we have no
It's
issues with
perfectly
that.
all right.
So where you like working more, ma'am? In Hyderabad or out of Hyderabad?
Anyway,
Everything works as long as we are working and
Okay.
we are designing. It doesn't really matter.
So you're happy working. So sir, how do you cope up with the things when you're working out of Hyderabad, ma'am? मतलब generally site execution और material palette, जैसे आप कोई 3 tier city में आपको काम आता है, so there is a very less choice
See,
of
the material procurement is all done from Hyderabad or from anywhere in India.
nearby city.
Wherever.
GST made our life easy.
GST has made life easy.
So any material can come
So
from
material selection can be done. The client is always happy to come down to Hyderabad or whichever other big city is nearby. Or even if they have to travel to some other place like Mumbai, Delhi, they're always ready. So that is not a problem, because procurement can be done from anywhere today.
Yeah, very true. When you started your journey in Hyderabad, ma'am, especially in 15 years back, so do you remember, ma'am, any of the project which make Navita Singhal as an architect, Navita Singhal, that image, that what is that stepping stone project, मतलब which give you the name in the market? Generally होता है ना मैम, एक project जो अपने को एक नाम दे देता है city में.
But that though you have to tell us. The people has to tell us where our name flourishes.
I mean,
But-
seriously, I mean, you're talking about my personal projects. I feel that one landmark project is still to happen. I wouldn't say that I've executed it already.
Okay.
And a project which will like really tell me that, okay, this is her work. I mean, okay, we have a recently completed project. It's a residence at Aziz Nagar, which has shaped up very well. Of course, my photo shoot is still pending because there's still the landscaping work is still not completed and things like that. But yes, for me, it's a project which is close to heart. It was one of my first Google inquiry confirmations, number one.
Great.
So when I say it's a Google inquiry confirmation, means I don't know the person doesn't know me. And without any reference points, without anything, just by on gut feel, looking at our work on our website, the client has gone ahead, confirmed us, and it's been 2.5 years now.
Yeah.
And we have had no issues whatsoever with the client or the client with us.
And
I mean, it's been a very happy journey doing up that house.
we got the confirmation in 2 days.
And we got the confirmation
After first
within
meeting,
2-3
within
days.
Two days, we meet 2-3
So
times. and,
when such things happen, you believe that yes, there is.
That's the reason I said कि you are a brand. Few minutes back I said you, because generally क्या होता है, we never know what is public talking about us. No one will come and say in front of you. और किसी को बोला भी है तो कोई आके बोलेगा नहीं कि नविता मैम आपके लिए उन्होंने ऐसे बोला था, निदेश सर उन्होंने आपके लिए ऐसे बोला था.
अच्छा ही बोलेगा मुंह पे तो कोई भी बोलेगा तो हमें लगेगा कि सामने
नहीं,
आके बोल रहा है।
कैसे है सर, आजकल लोगों को कैसे है, खुद के दुख से दुखी नहीं है, लोगों के सुख से दुखी है सर.
वो तो हकीकत है.
No one is upset.
हाँ, वो तो हकीकत है.
वो आप खुश है तो सामने वाला दुखी है. That is the
वो तो
system.
हकीकत है.
So this shows that, as I said you few minutes back, कि आपको गूगल इंक्वायरी पे एक इतना प्रीमियम प्रोजेक्ट मिलता है that you don't know the client and client doesn't know you. It's not like that कि doesn't know, सिर्फ उस पे नहीं आया, उन्होंने आपका काम देखा, उनको पता चला कि they can deliver, they are a brand.
फर्क क्या है, उसने खाली वेबसाइट का काम देके कंफर्म किया. नहीं तो काम अनजान लोग बहुत आते हैं, लेकिन आके उनका ये रहता है, रेफरेंस के साथ भी जो आते हैं, आपका काम देखना है जी, कोई प्रोजेक्ट दिखाइए, which has become a little difficult after
Very
COVID.
true, very true.
So, fortunately for me, this person who just done a Google search and come up with a list of architects, approached maybe a couple of them, and then had a couple of meetings with us. And with just that kind of interaction and having seen the work on the website, he was ready to confirm us. For him, it was a very important, because he was building his first big house.
Hmm.
So, and so in that respect, for me, I mean, of course, we used to get a lot of Google inquiries, but nothing had really converted into a project. So for this, that's why I'm saying it's my first Google inquiry confirmation.
That's nice.
So that gives a little positive boost to us that
Very true.
yes, this does happen. It's not that Google inquiries are just inquiries.
And what's your forte? Like, you're more keen towards residential or commercial?
See, as such, I always say that I'm a designer. I can design anything.
Yeah.
It doesn't really matter. But yes, over the period of years, we've realized we've done more of residences. We have done a lot of corporate offices also, which could be software companies or admin blocks for different kind of industries. That kind of work we have done. We've done a couple of jewelry showrooms also. So
Okay.
with that respect, yes, we are comfortable. Like, of course, we have a lot of experience when it comes to residences.
Residential. And generally, ma'am, when you get a new project, what is your approach, ma'am? How do you start the work? If you get any new site, जैसे आपको confirmation आता है, so what is the process of starting the work?
See, first we have to understand what the client's needs are. So that thorough brief, a couple of meetings with the client to understand their mindset, their psyche, just to, because see, it's very important to read the client.
Very true.
Because if you're not able to catch what the client wants, no matter what you propose, it will not get executed.
Very true.
So once once we come to a common ground that, okay, we've understood what that mindset is, we start working on the planning, and then depending on whether it's an architectural project or an interior project, the first and the foremost thing is the planning. So once that plan
Very
is frozen, then everything just moves in a technical manner.
Any challenges you face at the site which you remember बहुत tough था उससे बाहर निकलना, but still end of the day it was a happy ending? Any project which give you the sleepless night, जिसमें बहुत challenging कुछ situation आ गई थी और आप उनसे कैसे cope up किए?
We had one occasion where we had done an office building in Madhapur. We had done all 5 floors, and on the terrace we had created a shed, and on top of the shed we had gotten solar panels executed. So at the time of execution of the solar panels, I think there was some problem happened between the fabricator and the solar panel person or something. So I think the sheets were not proper. Once the screwing and all that, there was some problem. Installation, there was an issue. So when the monsoons came, and that year we had very erratic monsoons. So in the month of October, we had some crazy rains that time.
Okay.
So suddenly my entire false ceiling is done at the bottom of that shed, and the next day is the next couple of days later, the whole opening is there for the office building, and we have the whole ceiling leaking
on the terrace.
It's raining.
inside.
Okay.
Cats and dogs, and the minute you touch the false ceiling, you have like a waterfall happening.
Okay.
And the client is going through sleepless nights. So when he is going through sleepless nights, I am going through sleepless nights, because first and foremost, the rain has to stop. Until the rain stops, you cannot do anything.
Very true.
The sun needs to come out, and then after all that, we also need a solution
True.
of what do we do now, because everything is fixed up. The solar panels are in their place, the fabrication is there. So how it has to be done? So luckily, we had a very good friend who's into waterproofing. So he stood by us. He was going through sleepless nights, even though that was not his project.
And as a friend, he has supported you.
Yeah, trying to find a solution for me. So that so the next morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, I get a call from him saying that, ma'am, let's do one thing. We will do glass fiber coating with resin, and I think we can manage to arrest this entire thing. But for that, what is most important is we need the sun to come out. We
Okay.
need the rains to stop. So thankfully, in a day's time, I think that happened. And then the first thing that we did was, before we touched the internal parts, we got the entire roof covered with that glass fiber and resin. And after that, I don't think we have had any complaints from the client.
So that was sorted out basically.
Yes, that was sorted out.
So luckily this time, like as you know, ma'am, about our magazine, we give informative informations. In our 8th edition, we are having a very beautiful article on waterproofing. Generally, every site faces this problem. So we came out with an informative information, which will be very helpful for all the architects, professional interior designers, whether senior or an intermediate or upcoming design. It will be a very helpful article for the on waterproofing.
Mm.
So, and 2 words on our magazine. How do you find ANI?
It's a very lovely publication, and the projects that you are covering vary from different ranges. And luckily, and not luckily, I would say, it's very heartwarming to see you cover the various different architects from the city. And so we get to see a lot of different kind of projects and different ideas getting executed. And of course, there is an equal number of products that are on display.
Yes, on display.
So we sometimes, yes, there are good contacts for different vendors that we can get from the magazine. And overall quality of the book, the magazine, is fantastic. And the whole design concept of the way it's been presented is come out really well.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Every edition you are coming up with a new idea of your front
Cover,
page,
yeah, cover page.
So that's again fantastic.
As the motto of the magazine is to bridge the gap between architects and vendors, ma'am. Because many times it happen, architect is not aware कि हैदराबाद में available है क्या, और vendor is not aware कि ये product कौन से professional को लगता है करके. One more personal question. Husband wife साथ में काम करके कैसे लगता है? Does you face any ego clashes और कुछ personal ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या? Just asking. Personal.
Our roles
But-
are defined.
पर ये question raise ही क्यों होता है? Have you ever seen us?
I'm not seen, and that is the reason I'm
No,
asking.
but our roles are defined, you know.
Okay.
So he doesn't
See,
interfere
I-
with
जनरली
mine.
बहुत सी बार होता है कि if the couple is from the same on a same professional front especially they face the problem करके.
See,
नहीं ये
I'll answer
पर्सनल
this.
इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ कि जो दूसरे हस्बैंड वाइफ साथ में करना चाहे एक मैसेज जाएगा
No, I'll answer this. She is qualified architect.
Yeah.
I'm not. So that is a plus point for us. Number 1. Number 2, आपने सुना होगा ना कि हर सक्सेसफुल के पीछे someone is there.
Yeah.
So she is front. So ये आगे हैं.
Yeah.
तो जब जरूरत होता है ये आगे रहती है, तो मैं इनको पीछे से सपोर्ट करता हूँ. जब इनको जरूरत होती है मुझे आगे कर देती है, because she is the boss.
Yeah.
ये मेरे पीछे होती है, तो सपोर्ट अपना बढ़ जाता है.
बढ़ जाता है.
So it
Very
is
true.
never ever we found a situation which you are trying to export from our mindset.
No, I'm
कभी
being
आया
very
नहीं.
honest, sir. I'm
ऐसा
not trying
कभी
to
आया नहीं.
explore that. I'm just trying to pass on the message.
बहुत
through
खतरनाक
this
word है सर, जो
wonder-
आपने बोला EGO, बहुत खतरनाक word है सर.
See,
लेकिन luckily there
see,
is
like
no-
he
no-
said,
That's-
we
no,
have our
you're blessed, sir.
we have our roles defined.
That's very important.
So he doesn't interfere when it comes to the designing part or the execution part or anything of that sort. And when it comes to the administration of the office or the back office work or the accounts and things like that, I don't interfere with his work. So there is no clash.
This role defining is helping you a lot,
Yes.
basically.
So he knows what he has to do. I know what I have to do.
I never say anything, even if you ask me on the side, sir, ये कैसे होता है? मैं कहा मैडम से पूछिए सर. If I know also the answer, I won't answer that.
That's ये कमिटमेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है सर. जनरली होता नहीं है.
We should understand where
बहुत
where we
important.
stand.
Yeah.
So in fact, most of the time, if you see, he never accompanies me to the sites.
Okay. So
So very often, some of my clients who are very close friends also, who become very close friends, because most of my clients are
Most of our-
lifetime friends.
True.
Yes.
So they, in fact, when they see me around alone, no, madam, sir नहीं आए, sir का काम नहीं था
I
ना.
only go
So
when
this is-
client asks, sir नहीं आए तो अगली बार में मुझे जाना
तो
पड़ता है,
it's
because
like-
client
नहीं
should
सर,
also-
सर को भी आना चाहिए ना. तो हमको suggestions देते. मैं कहा ठीक है, मैं बता दूंगी कि आपको बुला रहे थे, याद कर रहे थे, तो he'll come next time.
नहीं तो यूजुअली सर मैं साइट पे जाके चेयर ढूंढता हूँ, कहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ. I'll just find out my place
Place.
and I'll sit. That's
okay,
it. On the site, I'll never say anything.
it's nice.
पीछे मैं सारी लड़ाई लड़ लूंगा सर. In this room we can fight.
Very true. Very true, sir.
for certain things. If there is anything,
Yeah, he accompanies me to the site when the site is ending.
yeah, when the
Because
ending,
I'll tell you why. It's a very important reason. I see the work all the time. So, your eyes get trained, they get accustomed to seeing even the mistakes.
True.
So, when the project is finishing, there are very often that I can overlook something which is wrong. But because he doesn't visit the site on a regular basis and he's got a different viewpoint.
Very true.
So, we take him at that time for the critical
I'm,
approval.
I'm the critic of NS Associates.
that, okay, now you come and you check and you tell us
For the
what
final
is-
finishings.
what is missing, where there is a problem.
Very true.
So that is the time when we need him.
True. So overall outcome अच्छा आ जाता है साइड पे.
Yes.
Happy ending हो जाती है.
हाँ.
Client also happy. Firm also happy. Okay. And ma'am, you have a great experience in this industry. So would you like to give any suggestion or pass any message to the aspiring designers who are getting much influenced by social media and acclaim that they are an interior designers, they are an architects? Temporary अच्छा लगता है, but it's for their future only.
See, that is something which they themselves will learn over a period of time, because your detailing and your hard work has to be there.
100%.
Just social media will not get you very far. It is like saying like if you talk about cricket, IPL season, you may get into the team because of influence or somebody's reference or something, but finally to survive there, you have to perform.
Very true.
So you could get your first, second, or third project because of references, but to get your fourth, fifth, and sixth, unless your performance
speaks.
is there, your work has to speak for you. And if you don't deliver correctly, then it's not going to happen.
I add only one thing, that the new generation who comes into the fresher from the college and coming into the fraternity as a designer, as an architect, they should first start to unlearn whatever they have learned in their college, because imaginary grounds they have designed all this that time, and now the practical in the world, they are coming up with there is question answers from the client, from the departments, from this and that people. So they have to learn quickly to unlearn fake ideas of their mind,
Very
and
true.
practicality has to be added. So if they start doing it, it will be okay. It will be quick to understand the market. And
If you get a chance to do something for this fraternity, what would be the thing that you will opt for betterment of this fraternity?
see, before she answer, I'll answer. In the NS Associates, from the beginning, we try to hire freshers, because when when she is a fresher, so someone has supported her. So that way, we immediately wants to give it back, to handhold the freshers, to make them understand this is the river, and now you have to go to the sea.
But finally, the person whose hand you're holding also has to
Perform.
perform.
Very true. But Hyderabad generally we face the problem ma'am, when it comes to staff.
Everywhere.
Education आप देख लीजिए, मतलब the type of study they are doing in the institute, because you don't have any dedicated college the way you have in Pune or Mumbai or Bangalore or Ahmedabad. So we lack here in Hyderabad. That is the reason we face a big problem when it comes to the freshers and the staff.
Again, I'll say before Navita, it is not that there is lack. If student is passionate about the work, then it is fine.
See, whatever the college may teach, finally, the actual practice is a different ball game altogether. So, if you are ready to learn, we can teach.
True.
But if you come with that notion that you know everything, then there is no scope of improvement. Then you can't help anybody.
Every person who want to be successful, he has to be learner every day, every
Exactly.
minute even on his sites.
We are learning today also.
100% sir.
All different clients has different idea.
Very true.
And the best thing, when the client comes and says कि आपका कोई प्रोजेक्ट दिखा दो, अगर वो मैं अगर उस मीटिंग में साथ में हूँ, तो मेरा कहीं सर वो प्रोजेक्ट देख के क्या करोगे, सिमिलर तो हम आपका बनाने वाले नहीं है.
Very true.
You want to get creative for yourself, so you have to give us your
Input.
thought, your inputs, what actually you are looking for your house. According to that, we are going to design. What will you see in other house?
Very true. हम
Nothing.
सबका अपना अपना requirement है
So
नहीं.
that things you can see even on my website.
So it was great interacting with you. Had a great time. This podcast session will help lot many more people and aspiring designers in Hyderabad. Thank you for taking out time, sir and ma'am.
Thank you so much. Alok.
Thank
And we
you,
really
Sudhir.
appreciate your sharing of knowledge for the
Thank you.
aspiring designers.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you so
you
much.
and your team, entire team for coming and doing this. Thank you so much.